Android tricks.
Hello Android users, we all know that there are some particular apps in your Android phone that always pop up with notifications that are so boring, irritating that we do not want to see, especially applications such as Phonics, Cooper, and other applications. So most of these applications they come built in with the phone. Now you try to uninstall it, sometimes you cannot uninstall it. So one way that I'm going to teach you on how to stop this application from functioning is very simple. Now head over to your screen, look for the application that you want to uninstall or you want to disable. So we are going to look at Phonics. For example, I head over to Phonics, I maintain, and I go to app info. Once I am in app info, now look at here, look at on the top bottom, you are going to see the word disable. Now once you disable it, it is going to say if you disable this app, Android and other app may no longer function as intended. Forget about it, guys. Disable this app, and once you disable this app and you go back to your home screen, believe me, you are not going to see the application again. Thank you.